Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating is your trusted AC repair company. We're dedicated to keeping your home comfortable year-round. Our skilled technicians offer prompt, reliable service, ensuring your air conditioning and heating systems run efficiently. From repairs to maintenance and installations, we've got you covered. With a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. Contact our AC repair company today for consultation. Are you looking for a AC repair company near me? You can stop looking. You found Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating. What is the condition of comfort air conditioning? Humans like temperatures ranging from 22 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and relative humidity levels ranging from 40% to 60%. Which type of AC is best for cooling? An inverter air conditioner provides better, more constant cooling than a standard air conditioner. Inverter air conditioners are also more energy efficient and quieter. What is your AC repair company area for the Houston, Texas office? Our local AC repair company has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Cypress, Tomball, Pasadena, Katy, Sugar Land, Baytown, Friendswood, Spring, League City, Harris County, the Woodlands, Humble, Bellaire, Galveston, Angleton, Damon, Eagle Lake, Texas. Where is your Houston, Texas AC repair company located? We are located at 1504 Rothwell Street, Houston, Texas 77002. Our phone number is 281-658-5141. Visit our website, www.acecomfort-tx.com/.